Okay, we are recording. Um, just a short message. The next 2 days, Thursday and Friday, I probably won't be as available as I have been. Friday is my nephew's 50th birthday, and there's sort of a large gathering planned. So Thursday, I will be out and about with my sister, running around picking up the cake, making sure the restaurant thing is all set up like we want and everything. And then, of course, Friday is the actual party. It starts at 5 p.m. Central, so I definitely won't be able to make Michael's game show, unfortunately. And probably won't be online much that day either. So if you don't hear much from me between uh, Thursday and Friday and Saturday and Sunday, don't worry about me. Things are going great. I just haven't had time to get online with all the family doings and everything. Hope you all have a great weekend, and I will see you all Monday.